Hello everyone. During this road assessment of State Street, we'll take a look at its current condition and how the current form of State Street might affect your drive. This road assessment is completed in an effort to keep you as safe as possible while you travel on State Street in Hemet, California. State Street is in good condition. However, our assessment points out that drivers will experience a few conditions that hint at the wear and tear of the road caused by years of use and an unrelenting desert sun. As you can see here, the hot desert sun doesn't just make summer uncomfortable, it's tough on State Street too. Prolonged exposure to extreme heat can cause asphalt to soften, crack, and degrade, leading to potholes and surface damage. These conditions increase wear and tear, making repairs more frequent and necessary. For instance, drivers will experience road cracks, alligator cracks, and road repair patches throughout State Street. As you may have seen on this video, road discoloration is prevalent on State Street too. Also, drivers will see skid marks at most intersections on State Street, and most skid marks are circular in form. This suggests a history of unsafe driving practices such as street takeovers or joyriding. At the same time, the skid marks may inspire a renewed commitment to safe and responsible driving for some drivers. The road repair barriers along State Street serve as part of ongoing maintenance and resurfacing efforts by the city. Drivers are urged to exercise caution while traveling through those areas. Reduced lanes, shifting traffic patterns, and construction equipment may cause delays on State Street as a result of the road repair barriers. And during daylight hours, drivers will experience moderate amounts of traffic on State Street. Driving in the bright, hot desert sun can be more than just uncomfortable. It can be exhausting and even dangerous for some drivers. Glare, high cabin temperatures, and heat-related fatigue all make navigating traffic more challenging on State Street. Drivers are encouraged to stay cool by keeping themselves hydrated, wearing sunglasses, and most importantly, staying patient while driving on State Street. Please keep in mind to check the trip channel before you travel to your next destination. The trip channel will help you plan smarter, safer routes. By checking the trip channel regularly, you can avoid rough or blocked roads, adjust your timing, and prepare for any challenges ahead. A few minutes of planning can save hours of frustration and help keep you and your passengers safe on every trip. Also, the trip channel isn't just for planning. It's also a great way to reconnect with streets you know and love, whether it's the route you took to school, the road to your favorite diner, or that scenic stretch you once drove at sunset. The trip channel lets you see what's changed and what stayed the same. Take a moment to reminisce and explore familiar paths from a fresh perspective. Sometimes the best trips are the ones down memory lane. And by the way, if there is a street that you want us to assess, please mention it in the comments section on this video. There are a few rain gutters along State Street. The rain gutters allow for proper drainage in order to keep State Street safe and functional. The rain gutters help channel water away from the roadway, thus preventing dangerous pooling, slick surfaces, and long-term damage to State Street. The northern end of State Street lacks an adequate road shoulder. Road shoulders are a critical safety feature. Without a proper road shoulder, drivers have nowhere to pull over in case of breakdowns, medical emergencies, or to avoid hazards. This can lead to dangerous situations, especially on busy or high-speed roads. When road shoulders are missing or too narrow, risk of accidents increases for everyone on State Street. If you enjoy this video and find its content helpful, please hit the like button. We would appreciate it very much. Also, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell for more upcoming road assessments. If we haven't been in your town yet, we will be very soon. Thank you for watching the Trip Channel.